I know. I think she's the, oh my God.
Hi, Myrna. This is Myrna, and I'm Kelly, and we are going to show you how to play the game 101 and Out. And you can do it in teams, or you can do it as individual players, and we're going to do it as individual teams. And I'll be Team A, and Myrna will be Team B. We each have a die, and the object is to roll 100 without going over. So one person will roll the die, and there'll be a total of 6 rolls, and every roll counts. Each number on the dice represents the following value. So the 1 is 1 or 10, 2 is 2 or 20, 3 is 3 or 30, 4 is 4 or 40, 5 is 5 or 50, and 6 is 6 or 60. So the team or the player must decide the value of the roll and record it onto the recording sheet, which I have also uploaded. And then they'll continue with the next row, adding the determined value and proceeding. The winner is the team or the player that rolls closest to 100 without going over, and they can only have 6 rolls to do this. So we're going to show you how it works. Okay, so you want to go first, Myrna?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. I rolled a 6.
So do you want a 6 or 60?
60.
Okay. Remember, you have to roll 6 times without going over.
Okay.
Okay? It's my turn, Myrna.
Oh, sorry.
So mine's a 1, so I'll do a 10, because that's the most I can do. Okay, Myrna, it's your turn.
Okay. I rolled a 5.
So would you like 5 or 50?
I would like 5. And I don't want 50 because then I'll go over 110.
Exactly, very good.
Over 100.
So 4 is what I got, so I'll go ahead and do 40. Oh. Your turn, Myrna.
I rolled a 3, so I would like 30.
Okay, so right now Myrna has 60, a 5, and 30. Mm-hmm. You have 95.
Yes.
So I have a 2, so I'm going to do 20, and I have 40 plus 10 is 50, and 20 more is 70.
Mm-hmm. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I picked 6.
Okay.
I rolled a 6. Ooh.
And I have a 2 again, so I have 40, 50, 70, 80. I'm just going to use 2.
4. Uh-oh, I think I just went over. Okay, so far I have a 4, a 6, which makes 10, 30, that's 40, plus
so
60
105.
is 100, and then plus a 5 is 105. So do you automatically win?
Well, I'm going to go ahead and play it out to make sure that I don't go over.
Okay.
Okay, so I have 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 76, 77, 78, 79. I have 79. Okay. So I'm the winner. Thank you, Myrna.
You're welcome.
Okay, so now we're going to play another game, which is 11 card game. And you just do this with regular bicycle cards. Okay, so what you do is first you want to take all of the face cards out. So you're going to turn over 3 stacks of cards in 3 rows. Okay. Okay, and once you get these rows lined up, you're going to explain to the students that an A will stand for a 1. Okay, and what you're going to do is you look at the combinations of cards until you can add up to 11, and then you're going to turn them over. So once you get 11, so I'm going to get a 10, and an A is 11.
Okay.
So now you try to get 11, Myrna.
Okay, I'm going to do the same thing, which is a 10 and an ace, 11.
So I have a 10 and an ace as well. And then you just keep folding over your cards just to keep 9 available at all times.
Okay. And you're throwing
I'm throwing the face cards out, which would probably be a good thing to do that ahead of time. Set for time reasons, we're just going to... Okay, it's your turn, Myrna.
Okay. So
you're still trying to make 11. And you can always change this, and you can do sums of 10, sums of 12, whatever you're trying to get the student.
Okay. So I'm going to do another 10 and 8, 11.
And I have the same, 10 and 11. But you get the drift of it. And so this is how you would help them to understand counting and sequencing. Thank you, and come by and see us again sometime.